Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Sri Ram temple in Ayodhya. And the devotees are there too. So this area hasn't been cordoned off for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As the Prime Minister does a darshan of this Divya Bhavya Pratiroop of the Vigraha of Lord Ram and Kamal Pushp which is offered to Lord Ram. Prime Minister Narendra Modi worshipping Lord Ram here. There's a lot of effort that went in for this. It's a 51-inch tall Vigraha or idol of Lord Ram, Krishna Shila idol of Lord Ram, from the lalat or the forehead to his feet. And these are images of Prime Minister Narendra Modi doing a parikrama of the Divya Bhavya Ram temple. This is something that devotees have waited for 500 years. The Prime Minister mentioned this himself on the 22nd of January when he was part of the Pran Pratishtha. The Prime Minister said, Sri Ram is energy. Sri Ram is not fire. Sri Ram is a solution. Sri Ram is not a dispute. Ram belongs to everyone. भारत की आत्मा के कण कण से राम जुड़े हुए हैं. Very calmly the Prime Minister prays to Lord Ram. भारत की आत्मा के कण कण में. And Lord Ram is known as Maryada Purushottam.
रामेंद्र हमने देखा कि जब
Now Maryada Purushottam actually means he is the ideal king, the ideal son, the ideal ruler. He is what everyone emulates. And the other image that you see on your television screen, so there are two vigrahas of Ram Lala, 5-year-old Lord Ram as you saw in that image, and the one just below that was the existing idol of Lord Ram, the Swayambhu, as some said, that it had just appeared there. That was child Ram. And look at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he does not turn his back to Lord Ram's Vigraha. Sashtang Dandavat. The Prime Minister praying to Lord Ram. Every part of his body touches the ground in devotion, in surrender to Lord Ram. This is Bharat's Astha. Lord Ram, भारत की आत्मा के कण कण में राम है. And when you look at that Vigraha of Lord Ram, Goswami Tulsidas's lines in the Ramcharitmanas, Vidrum se arun adhar bolat mukh madhur madhur subhag nasika mein charu latkat latkaniya ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र बाजत पैजनिया. विद्रुम से अरुण अधर बोलत मुख मधुर मधुर सुभग नासिका में चारू लटकत लटकनिया. तुलसीदास अति आनंद देख के मुखार विंद रघुबर छवि के समान रघुबर छवि बनिया. ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र बाजत पैजनिया. This is how Goswami Tulsidas thought of Sri Ram at Ayodhya, at the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi. That's the happiness Mata Kaushalya must have felt when she saw her 5-year-old child right here at the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi in Ayodhya. And this truly is a moment that Bharat has waited for centuries, 500 years plus. But even the Supreme Court marked that every day of that 500 years when the temple was not there anymore, the devotees continued to pray. When they did not have access to the Garbhagriha, they prayed around. They prayed till whatever point they could get to, but they did not stop praying. This is the Astha that has kept this civilization not just going but flourishing when other ancient civilizations disappeared from the face of this earth or remain confined now to history books and textbooks. The Sindhu Ghati ki sabhyata, the Bharat ki sabhyata continues to flourish, and continues to grow, and continues to find its roots, strengthen its roots, to become even stronger, to become even bigger. Ram belongs to everyone is something that Prime Minister said. On the 22nd of January, an emotion that was echoed by billions across the world, that Lord Ram was no longer in a tent but in this Divya Bhavya Ram temple.